inayos din naman niya. So don't worry about it, guys. Oo, na-balance ko siya. So I think that's already enough to say that that is what makes a queen. You know, you have to balance it. Really matters.
Newly crowned Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo, nagsalita na sa viral crowning moment niya kasama si Michelle D. Ginawa na lamang ngang katatawanan ni Chelsea ang pagpatong sa kanya ng korona ni Michelle D sa katatapos lang na Miss Universe Philippines 2024. Sa isang press con na tanong si Chelsea kung paano niya nabalance ang awkward na pagkakapatong ni Michelle ng korona sa kanyang ulo. Ani Chelsea, wala naman daw naging problema sa kanya, natuwa pa. Nga siya naging meme na ito sa iba't ibang social media platform. Bagamat mabigat di umano ang korona, ay nabalance naman niya ito ng maayos. At sa huli, ay inayos na rin naman ni Michelle ang pagkakalagay nito bago pa mahulog. Ani nga ni Chelsea, "Don't worry guys, nabalance ko naman siya. I think that's already enough to say that is what makes a queen, that you have to balance it really hard," na ikinatuwa naman ng mga press. Samantala nagsalita na rin si Michelle D sa pagkakapanalo ni Chelsea. Anya, "May you lead by example always in all ways. Congratulations to our new Miss Universe Philippines 2024 Chelsea Manalo. We had a brief interaction backstage, and I can really say that we crowned a woman with such a genuine heart. Manifesting only the best for you and our home Philippines. P.S. Despite my little initial hiccup, the Jewelmer crown looks so good on you."
Chelsea, last question. How did you balance the crown?
It has already been out on media, and I finally made it to the meme world. Well, the crown has a little bit of a weight. So when Michelle really put it on my head, because it's the crowning moment, it's the winning photo already. So I didn't feel like it was gonna fall because it was really in my head. So I thought it's gonna be okay. But until I turned on the side and it kind of slipped, then Miss Michelle D already just fixed it. It was only a matter of a minute. Inayos din naman niya. So don't worry about it, guys. Oo, na-balance ko siya. So I think that's already enough to say that that is what makes a queen. You know, you have to balance it. Really matters.